Ukkadam bypass bridge, not near, under that bridge only. So you can see the government is as part of smart city construction, they have started doing so many things near, in and around this bridge. You can see from here it's a lot of developments are coming here. One is this one, as part of smart city development following Ukkadam Perikulam, the banks of Vallegulam is getting refurbished for a worth of 40 crores. So right now we are here near the amphitheater. So it's here, the amphitheater. You can hear the music played here. It's still under construction. Construction is going on here. And there you can see the Ponto Bridge. On the other side of this curriculum, you can see a lot of other walkways and all. We will be going there. Before that, I will show you what all things you can see here and what all things you can enjoy here. Windy time here, it's about to be 6 o'clock in the evening. See the Inside you can see bamboo designs. Lot of small bamboo plants are also here. So you know which is the fastest growing plant in the world? It's bamboo. So it will grow fast. Slowly it is grown here, I think so. And it also gives a lovely look to that whole structure. Small circular cubicles are also set here where you can spend some time with your pals or with your family. Here it is written like children's play equipments. It's yet to be installed. It will take some time still. This is that space they have allocated for children's play equipments. Lot of things are yet to come, but still now it looks good to come here and spend an evening time here. Parking area is also available, so 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers can park here and they can go inside this entertainment zone and spend some time. One of the interesting thing I saw here, this plants, lot of plants are grown here, and if you don't know the names of the plants, you are able to know about it because there are boards here to show you what that plant is. Anyone who don't know about ginger, see, this is that ginger. It's written, it's ginger plant grown here. Okay, ginger. Next, you can see cosmos plant, glycosmos plant. Is that orange flowered plant. With each plant you can see its name also. Name is written on a box. So this is that entrance. We are moving to the entrance. So most of the designs here are with bamboos, so that is the close to nature concept is implemented here. Soon we can see some more entertainment equipments and facilities here. Okay, next we will move to the other side of this. So this is the entrance to this facility. The other side, here also you can see beautiful bamboo decorative pieces. This road is straight along the on either side of this road you can see that road. You can see how beautiful it is. Sunset also you can see. You can see the other side, the bridge also, which we just covered. And on either side of it you can see small bridges. They have constructed small bridges on either side. In the evening time, it's really nice to see this place because lightings and all now will look gorgeous. That ambience is very nice.
I'm just spending
showing you how it is. I'm just walking.
Please love me, Mary Jane. Please hurt me, Mary Jane.
It's easy to reach this place.
Mary Jane, please love me.
And now they are going to start boat service also. You guys, how beautiful it is.
I'm spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm so in love with you, honestly. And no darkness can stop all the rain. 내 눈 속에 날 보면 girl, you make all my heart melt away.
Come in the evening time, then only you can see the lightning and all. It's really beautiful. Anyone who wants to spend a good evening time can come here and enjoy the facilities available here. When they start boat riding and all, you can enjoy that one also.
I'm just trying to get to
Really
you
nice
like
to
I wanna make
be
you
here.
mine.
Have places to sit here.
I'm just spending all my
Watch
thoughts
the
on you like I
sunset.
need you now.
Evening time, enjoy the evening time.
I'm just trying to get to you like I
Lots of
wanna
kids.
make you
Lots of
mine.
families are coming here with their kids
I'm
to
just
enjoy.
spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane,
Then like
please
see,
love me.
Chetty
Mary
Pond,
Jane, please hurt me. Mary
part of a smart city project.
Mary Jane, please love me.
Government has
I'm just
initiated
trying to
this.
get to you
Still
like I wanna.
not in full swing. Still construction is going on.
I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm so in love with you, honestly.
To enjoy the beauty of the nature, you should come here sometime. Sit here for some time. This quiet nature. Lot of people are coming here. It's better to come either in the morning or in the evening. Evening times you can see lighting also. It will be really nice in that night sky with bright lights and all. It will be really beautiful. See, another bamboo construction is here. Lot of beautiful flowers. This is another bamboo construction. There is kids, small kids play areas. And these walkways are there in Ukkadam also. Till Ukkadam, near that Ukkadam market also you can see walkways like this. Coimbatore is getting more, or becoming more beautiful with all these efforts from the government.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine.
Hope you enjoyed my video. I'll be back with more such videos that will help you to know the places and what all things are there. Thank you.